In the northwestern city of Battambang, during the early 90s, military intelligence personnel ran a series of clandestine, unofficial prisons. This nondescript house was one such detention place, where prisoners were prepared before being sent downriver to Chirk Mau. Yom Mearn's bill, after a night out on the town, was $16 short, and so began his nightmare. Instead of allowing him to go and get the money, he was detained and accused of helping the Khmer Rouge. In fact, Yom Mearn was 105 kilometres away in Pursat when the bombs went off. But that didn't matter. He was told if he didn't confess, he would be taken to Chirk Mau and never return. Fortunately, the monks were present in the pagoda at Chirk Mau when he arrived, and there was a lull in the killing. Instead, he was forced to defuse landmines. Yom Mearn was indeed one of the lucky ones. Almost all those who entered the secret prison system never returned. The motive seems to have been purely robbery and extortion. Most of the victims were small business people who were often accused of collaborating with the Khmer Rouge. The man in charge of the secret prison system, General Ton Savet, also ran S-91, a branch of military intelligence in Battambang. General Ton Savet was arrested after he ordered his troops to open fire on a police checkpoint, killing several. He was tried in absentia, convicted, but remains free. General Ton Savet has resumed work here at the Ministry of National Defence in the capital, Phnom Penh.